How to fix TikTok live lag. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix TikTok live lag. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first step is you'll need to make sure that you have TikTok and the TikTok is updated to the latest version. After doing that, you can open up your TikTok. Head over to the bottom right corner where you will see the profile. Now what you'll need to do is you'll need to tap on the top right corner on the three lines. After you tap on it, you'll then need to head over to Settings and Privacy. It's on the bottom. Tap on it, and after you do that, scroll down, and there you should find a section called Cache and Mobile. Right there you will see an option called Free Up Space. Tap on Free Up Space. After you tap on it, let it calculate your cache and downloads. Now all you have to do is you'll need to clear up your cache. So after it finishes calculating, simply tap on the clear button on cache. After you do that, confirm the clear by tapping on clear. After you do that, you can then head back and then you will see another option called Data Saver. Tap on Data Saver and now make sure that the Data Saver button is turned off. As it is in mine, it's turned off. When this is turned on, what happens is that whenever you are using your cellular data, it reduces your data consumption and it also lowers your resolution and it takes longer to load. So whenever you're on live, it can be the reason why you're facing the lag. So after you turn this off, you can head back. Now the final and the most basic thing is that you'll need to check for your Wi-Fi. Whenever you're using Wi-Fi, just make sure that you're using a strong internet connection. For that, you can head over to your control panel and you'll see your connectivity settings. Right there, you can disconnect to your Wi-Fi and reconnect back into your Wi-Fi and make sure that you have a really stable connection. After doing that, your live lag issue will get fixed, guys. That's basically all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more.